I've now been at the new house a few weeks and really just taking it all in. I've spent time inside and out trying to figure out what I want to do first and what can wait. As I sold most of my furniture with my old house, I'm starting fresh. So I started to order a few new pieces. A new dining table and 2 chairs designed by Ib Kofod Larsen in 1953. And known as the penguin chair, has already been delivered. I love it. New meets old. And at least now I have a place to sit. I also ordered a new pendant. You may know it already. It's the iconic Akari lamp by Noguchi. Now I just need to find a rug to tie it all together. What do you think about this one?
It's getting quite cold. It is in the middle of December after all, but it's not quite frozen yet, so I'm taking full advantage of this beautiful morning to do a little bit of garden work. In the last video, I gave you a tour of the garden and talked a bit about this massive blackberry bush that's gone way out of hand. I understand how amazing having your own berries in the garden is, but I don't need all that bush gone wild in this life. So she needs a trim, a full bush trim.
So now the question is, what do we do with all this? But I think I have an idea. It might be one of the more painful jobs, but it's also the most satisfying one. Seeing this blackberry bush just become mulch, and I can later return it into the ground. It's just so perfect. I haven't quite figured out where to put a compost area in the garden just yet, so for now just gonna fill these 2 raised beds with all the blackberry bush mulch. Sit. Sit. Yeah.
I have someone very special to introduce to you. Meet the newest member of the family. This little guy right here. Isn't he adorable? He is full of energy, loves snuggling on modern furniture, and already has a great eye for design. I mean, he is my puppy after all. Now, here's the fun part, for you at least. I'm not going to tell you his name just yet. Instead, let's make a game of it. I've got a little quiz for you and by the end, you'll have guessed his name. Let's get started. There's going to be 3 hints. Let's get easier by each hint. Hint number 1. This puppy's name is inspired by a world-famous figure who had a significant impact on modern design. He's known for his innovative use of wood and organic forms in furniture and architecture. Who could it be? Okay, here's a little extra hint for this one. Think Scandinavian. Did you get it? All right, here's another clue. This famous designer is from Finland, and one of his most iconic designs is a stackable wooden stool that you've definitely seen in stylish interiors. Any guesses now? His last name, the architect's last name, is also an abbreviation of my name, Alan Torp. Put it together and you get... That's right, his name is Elva, after the legendary Finnish designer Elva Elto. Welcome, Elva, to the family. Everyone? He's already stealing hearts here, and I hope he steals yours too. Let me know in the comments if you guess his name, or if you're just a fan of Elva Elto like I am. I ordered a bunch of planks and woods that I need to use for a project this year. But before I really get started on that project, I need to figure out how to store all the woods I need to use. And the garage is already a mess. But the plan is to build some racks that I can pile all the wood and planks on, so to get them off the floor. I mean, it speaks for itself. Should be able to hold quite a bit. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 shelves. Easy. I have one more project I want to get done this year. So I'm crossing my fingers for dry weather for the rest of the year. Thank you guys for watching.